Right, we've taken the screenshots of these, each one, and now I'm going to go to Google Sheets, close that one a bit, make this a bit bigger. Come on. And I'm logged into my Google account. Over here, the apps, we go to Docs. In the main menu here, you hit Sheets, and your Google Sheets are here. These are the ones I've done earlier. Let's make a new one, blank. Give it a name. Just copy paste that. Oh, it didn't work. Sorry about this. Read Anywhere. Number 29. Actually, PT 29. So PT 29. Then I make column A bigger and column B. Then I make row 1 kind of like that. So you've got these two big cells. Then hit Insert, Image, Image in Cell. Just going to make it a bit smaller. That dialog comes up where you can browse for your snips. There they are. But here we can drag on the snip and it uploads to Google. And there it is. Now let's get the annotated version. Click into column B, Insert, Image, Image in Cell. Grab our other one. Drag and drop it onto that. And you're in. And so you can see them there. Now what I usually do is make these ones underneath a bit bigger like that. So you can't see the other paragraphs that you've snipped. And then I click in that too. Click that colour thing there. Make it a bit darker, like that. There it is. And then you can do the same. Carry on. Put another one in. Okay, so let's go back here and I'll show you one I did earlier. PT 26. The trouble with Google Sheets is that it jumps from row to row and it's a little bit tricky. I mean, it does work. So I like to do this as a kind of hack. I go File, Version History, See Version History. It comes up in this slightly different arrangement where you can see changes, but actually don't want to see any changes. So I'm going to click that off. There it is. Yeah, click on R, delayed reaction. And now you can smoothly scroll once this progress indicator has stopped. There we go. Now I can smoothly scroll and it doesn't jump between the rows. So what I would do is make it a bit smaller if I'm actually doing some revision. Something like that. Not like that. Like that. Look at my original one. See, hey, what have I missed? Read through it. Try and see what I've done and then check against Caitlin's one over here. You see? Go to the next one. There it is. There's mine. Look over. There's Caitlin's. So it's a great way of checking and revising these transcripts. Okay, that's all.